Okay, Nora, can you come out, please? Just come out here. Just come to Daddy. Come here. Come stand beside me. All right, now run back up there and touch the door. Back up there and touch the door. Ooh. All right, now come back. Okay, you can go back inside now. Thank you. Close the door.
Coming out.
Okay. Can you hold the door for her?
Sure.
All right, you can come down here if you want. Come on down.
Come on now. Let it go.
Okay, now wait just a second.
Yeah.
And then I want to ask you guys to go back inside, okay? In just a second.
Okay.
And I'll be in. Okay, go inside.
We will come out in this in a second.
I'll be right. Just go inside and close the door. I'll be right there. Close the door, please. Thank you.